Hi, I'm Sosetsu. I'm a teacher of Japanese Senchado school. Today I will share the tips to make a great cup of tea using tea bag. Even if it's difficult to get the pure green tea leaves, you can enjoy umami or a gorgeous scent of Japanese tea at home. Before start, please ready for 3 things. 1. Tea bag of Japanese green tea. 2. Hot water. The temperature is very important. I will tell you more later. 3. Teacup and saucer. Please make sure to use a saucer. It's useful to steam tea in a cup. Recently, you can buy a various kind of water in a supermarket, hot or soft. Which do you usually drink? In making Japanese green tea, please use the soft one. Soft water works to bring out umami. If using hot one, I think it tastes more simple and bitter. The taste changes by the water temperature. Here's the best match. For high quality green tea, around 70 degrees is the best. For roasted or flavored tea, please use boiled water to give out the fantastic fragrance. Alright, let's start to make it. Here's a tea bag, cup and saucer, and hot water. Pour hot water in a cup. Put the tea bag slowly in it. Stay calm and cover up with the saucer. Please wait for a moment. Fine green tea takes 2 to 3 minutes. If you use boiled water, it's enough for 1 minute to 90 seconds. This is a common way, but you can also follow the instruction of your tea bag. Okay, the time is coming. Remove the tea bag very gently from the cup. Don't shake it. Never push it with a spoon, please. Look at this beautiful green color. I hope you enjoy wonderful tea time at home.